You always want to do the best job possible. If your name's going to be attached to anything, it better be the best. You don't want just anything, right? I didn't think I was going to save the world, but I knew that I was going to give it my best to every client that came to me.
Many people know, what you do. Many people know like the success that you have. Very few people know like the how, the journey that it takes to get to where you are today. More importantly, I want to start with the impact that your family has made in your life.
So we came to the United States back in 1994. My parents had to leave the country because they knew there was a better opportunity here. Both my parents had 2 jobs. My dad was working in construction. My mom was working at McDonald's, remember, Mom? And then they would come home, and at 6 o'clock they had to go and clean offices at buildings. But I knew that what they were doing for us would be the best, would be something that they wanted us to take advantage of, right? Going back to my parents back in Guatemala, I can tell you that we came from a very small community. My dad has always loved helping people. I've seen that throughout the many years, and we were raised like that. So as I go into now my real estate career, I'm always looking for ways to help that family and make an impact in their lives or in that community.
There's a lot of hardship along the way, Dinora. Like, give us a little bit of your journey, like, how you even got to this place, but then give us the motivation behind how you've been able to push through that.
I remember coming to my dad and saying, hey, listen, I'm gonna leave my full-time job, leave my benefits, leave my salary, and I'm gonna go and try this real estate thing. And I did, and I decided that in 2015 that I went full-time, and my husband, boyfriend at the time, was very supportive and said, listen, if anyone can do it, you can do it. And I started my journey that way. But my motivation is every time I get to meet a family, everyone has a story, just like we do. They come from a different path. They want to be able to accomplish that American dream. And whether you're Latino, whether you're Asian, whatever ethnicity you might be, buying a home, it's a big deal. So making sure that they can accomplish that and that I can be that guide to walk them every step of the way is what motivates me.